What's okay, gang? Kimaki family, I am back with another video. If you guys want to see how I installed and styled this unit by Yolissa hair, definitely keep on watching. And don't mind how busted, rusted, crusted I looked in the beginning of this video. So yeah, let's get into it. But before I get into the video, don't forget to follow all my social medias. The videos box down below. Don't forget to comment hashtag Kerrigan and get shout out in my next video. Today's video shout because these people right here. So yeah, if you guys want a video shout out in my next video, don't forget to comment hashtag Kerrigan. So let's get into the video that way. Okay, so first I'm going to show you guys what's inside the box. So first, this is how the outside of the box looks like. Here's a little bit about the company. What I like is it comes taped up. So when you first open your box, you get your unit, which, you know, we love her. So we're just going to put her away so that we can get slayed later in this video, at least for now. And then you have all these cute little accessories. First are these cute lashes. Like, look at the background, so cute. An adjustable strap in case, you know, you want to adjust how your wig fits on your head. And here is just a scarf that has Yolissa on there, which is, you know, the brand of the company. As well as a wig cap that I'm going to be using in later this video. I'm going to look busted, but it's okay. And here's a card of the human hair care, just to, you know, to care for the human hair. Last but definitely not least is this adjustable like bag that you can keep your wigs in or your hair in, which is so convenient because it takes up less space than like a box. I'll leave everything in the description box about this company and about the hair so that you guys can go hook yourself up during this quarantine. So now let's get into the hair. The cap size is medium. The hair density is 180. It's a 13x4 lace frontal as well as 20 inches, and it says everything right here. And it's also a transparent lace frontal. The hair doesn't really smell. Like, it just smells like hair. It doesn't have any scent that I'll say is bad. It just smells like hair, and the hair is also soft, which is really nice. We're definitely gonna wet this so that the curls can be a lot more smoother and shinier. But for it to be just fresh out the box like this, it's really cute. So here's the transparent lace on the frontal, and here's also the hairline. It's pretty self-explanatory what I'm doing. I'm basically gonna put the wig cap that the hair company had gave me, and yeah, I'm just basically gonna use it. Don't mind my hair, cause I know your hair look just like mine during this quarantine. Don't do that. Okay, so I put the cap on. It also comes with another cap, which is pretty good. It doesn't come with one, it comes with two caps. Now for the hair, I'm gonna add some makeup onto the cap as well as on the transparent lace front because like it wouldn't blend with my complexion. I'm just trying to figure out why none of my friends told me my neck is so freaking hairy. Don't worry about me, but I'll be back. But for now, I'll be gone soon. Don't worry about it. I'm going to be customizing the cap as well as the unit to my personal liking, adding foundation to the transparent lace as well as the cap so that, you know, it could blend in with my skin tone. But yeah, you can also do this to your own. I'm not using the stocking cap method just because I'm not gonna have the wig on for that long. But yeah, I'll see y'all soon. Bye, y'all. What? I told you I was going to be back. But basically, I'm going to add the wig onto my head so I can cut the lace off. But it was a little bit too big because the girl got a small head. So I was showing you guys here I was going to adjust like the clips in the back of my head. But yeah, now I'm just basically going to cut the lace. And let me tell you guys something about this lace. Like, it hit different. Without me bleaching the knots and just adding foundation and junk, it snapped. I'm not even going to cap, you guys. I messed with some wigs where the lace is so thick. It's like a cinder block on my head. And like the lace won't lay. But this laid as if like the knots were bleached. Okay, so here I was trying to find like a desired part, like which one was giving me very much, you know, quarantine did me good, you know, type part. And I like this side part, and I was feeling myself. I love the poofy look, but we're not done yet. So I kind of sort of didn't pluck the uni yet, so that's basically what I'm going to be doing now, is pluck the part that I wanted the hair to be at. Yay, my favorite part, girl, which is the customizing. Also, don't mind my sleeve, it got wet during this process, but I'm basically going to be using the spritz to flatten down like the top part, because we're going for that nice, sleek, juicy, you know, wet look. And this is like perfect because it'll make the hair look like it's wet, but it's not. To accomplish this look, you need water, your choice of gel. I prefer one that's water based, and your curling custard or any conditioning cream. Now to give it the finishing razzle dazzle, you can't forget to powder that lace. Alright, you guys, so that's the end video. If you guys enjoyed it, the hair turned out so cute, and for the lace to lay down this flat and look so seamless, like without bleaching the knots or anything like that, it looks pretty good in my opinion. Definitely go check out Yolissa hair. The curls are so cute, like look at this, y'all, and like so bouncy and flowy. Period. Don't forget to follow all my social medias. The mentions are down below. I hope you guys definitely go check out the description box, so you guys can definitely go check out this unit or other units that they have on their page, because this hair is like bomb.com. Peace, your girls out.